In the wake of the recent flooding, a mixed picture emerges as water levels recede in certain regions while others remain submerged, presenting a dire scenario for inhabitants still grappling with rising waters. Reports indicate that many previously inundated areas have experienced a notable reduction in water levels. However, pockets of distress persist, with some locals still submerged up to the chest level, necessitating the use of boats and makeshift rafts as the primary mode of transportation. A ground report from Larigambam sheds light on the active involvement of Arambai Tangold and wildlife explorers Manipur in facilitating transportations for stranded residents and essential items delivery via boats. Volunteers recount their continuous efforts since the onset of flooding, emphasizing the imperative to aid those who opt to remain in their homes despite the adversity. Meanwhile, the chairperson of Larigambam lamented the pervasive inconveniences stemming from the scarcity of basic necessities. Despite governmental efforts to provide relief in the form of essential food items like rice and dal, the distribution process is underway, aiming to alleviate the plight of affected families.